Hello everyone! If you watched my last video, then you saw that I had some resin left over from my last pour. So I want to use this up because resin is very expensive. And ain't nobody got money to waste around here. So I figured what I would do is try and get the black around the edge only, and then do the purple in the middle and see how it turns out. So before this pops off, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? I'm going too fast. It's just I can feel it getting real warm in my hand, and I don't want that purple to cure before I can get it in there. Ah! I'm making a mess! And I figured that if I don't have enough purple to fill up the mold completely, that what I'll do is when I come back tomorrow to finish off the other coasters that I made with these colors, that I would just do the same with these. And probably that base on those coasters is going to be a clear. Or that top, I should say. The top is going to be a clear. So probably what I'll do is I'll finish those off and then do a black for these. Okay. Let's see, I gotta clean this mess up. Alright, almost there. Okay, that's good enough. Alright. Pour this purple in. then I've got a little bit more of this clear left, so we'll pop that in the middle. All right, those look really cool already. You can see some of the black peeking in. I really like that. Okay, we're gonna let these cure up. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna need to do more black at the back, but we'll see. I mean, I think I probably should anyway, because the coasters have like, oh, well, you saw they have like a lip, so this part is going to be real thin. Yeah, I'll definitely do a black backside once these cured up. So stick around for that, and yeah, hang tight. All right, guys, these are all cured. I ended up not doing the black base on the back of it. I just was kind of curious to see how these would look, pardon me, without that. So let's see. Yeah, and they don't feel as thin as I thought they would. So here's the back. Oh, okay. I mean, it's not great. I wish this was the front. But, oh, the side's kind of cool. How that purple's coming up. Yeah, all right. They're pretty simple, nothing fancy. So there's another one. I really do like the way that the backs look, though. I mean, you could use this side as a coaster. You know, if you preferred it. It's not going to hurt anything. Yeah. Well, there you go. Alright, stay tuned for the glamour shots. If you are new here, please subscribe, hit that bell button, and absolutely destroy that like button for me. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here come the glamour shots.